Yes, I have question to ask.
Okay, ask me.
Do you have knowledge?
Yes, I have knowledge. That's why I give you.
Do you learn English?
Yeah, yes, I learn English. I teach English.
Do you teach me?
Yeah, I teach you daily, and that's why you are speaking because I teach you. You are my student.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I'm very good. Pratik, who is he?
He is Aryan.
Aryan. Is Aryan your friend?
Yes, Aryan is my friend.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Bangaon.
Do you have knowledge?
Yes, I have knowledge.
Okay, who am I?
You are my teacher.
And who are you?
I am Pratik.
Okay, Pratik, in which class do you study?
I study in fifth,
In
sixth.
which coaching do you learn English?
I learn English in Happiness Institute.
Okay, how is Happiness Institute?
Happiness Institute is good.
Do you like your father?
Yes, I like my father.
What is your father?
My father is teacher.
Your father is a teacher. What does your father teach?
My father teaches English.
Your father teaches English. Okay, do you discuss with your father?
Yes, I discuss with my father.
Does your father beat you?
No, my father don't beat me.
Hi Aryan.
Hello, sir.
Aryan, who is he?
He is my friend.
What's his name?
His name is Pratik.
Okay, is Pratik good?
Yes, Pratik is good.
Are you good?
Yes, I am good.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
He's your brother. Does your brother speak English?
Yes, my brother speaks English.
Fine. Is there any problem in your life?
There is no problem in my life.
Do you come daily?
Yes, I come daily.
Why do you come here?
I come here for learn English.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Who is your teacher?
You are my teacher.
Okay, how am I?
You are very good.
And how are you?
I'm also good.
Okay, you are also good. Where are you from?
I'm from Teukar.
Teukar. How is your village?
My village is very fantastic.
Is your father a teacher?
No, my father is not teacher.
Your father is not a teacher. What is your father?
My father is a school manager.
School manager. Okay. Does your father teach you?
Yes, my father teaches me.
Do you have knowledge?
Yes, I have knowledge.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Miss Rimjim.
Rimjim. Rimjim, your best friend. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sumit.
Shumit. How is Shumit?
Sumit is a very good.
Does Shumit come with you here?
Yes, Sumit come with here.
Okay. Is he Shumit?
He is not Sumit.
Who is Shumit?
Sumit is a student, and present time he is not present in.
He is not here present time. He is at home, but he is your friend. Fine. And what's his name?
His name is Siva.
Shiva. Mr. Pratik. So when I teach you here in class, do you understand everything?
Yes, when you teach, I understand.
You understand. Okay. Which class do you like most? Presentation, discussion, or debate? Which class do you like?
I like many classes.
You like, okay. How is your family?
My family is good.
Which family do you have? Joint family or nuclear family? Small family or big family?
I have joint family.
You have joint family. So do you like your joint family?
Yes, I like my joint family.
Why do you like your family?
Because I have many members.
You have many members, that's why you like. You have many members, so there are many problems in your joint family. Why do you like joint family?
No, there are no many problems in joint family.
There is no problem. Okay, so do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Fantastic. Okay, can you ask me any question?
Yes, I can ask me question.
Okay, ask me any question.
Why you come late daily?
Why I come late or why do you come late?
Why do you come early?
I come late here. I come late because Akash sir comes on time and he first of all takes your revision and then I come and I teach. That's why I come late because that's my time. 7:30 I come here. So do you feel okay when I come late?
Yes, I feel okay when you come.
So why are you asking that? Why do I come late? This is your question. Any other question you want to ask?
Yes, I have any question.
Okay, ask me other question.
You like English?
Do you like English? How will you ask?
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English. I speak English, I teach English, I understand English, and I give you English knowledge. Okay, do you have any question to ask me?
Yes, I have question to ask.
Okay, ask me.
Do you have knowledge?
Yes, I have knowledge, that's why I give you.
Do you learn English?
Yeah, yes, I learn English, I teach English.
Do you teach me?
Yeah, I teach you daily, and that's why you are speaking because I teach you. You are my student.
Do you bath daily?
Yes, I bath. Can you ask a different question?
Uh, do you like your family?
Yeah, I like my family. I love my family. I support my family. I help my family because my family they also support me. Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Okay. Do you want to ask any other question?
Yes, I want to ask any.
Okay, ask me.
You want teach?
Do you want to teach? Yes, I wanna teach you. I wanna beat you, and I wanna make you speak. Do you like my class?
Yes, I like your class.
Now, Aryan, you have chance to ask me. Do you want to ask more questions?
Yes, I want to ask more question.
Okay, ask me.
Do you shoot video?
Yeah, I shoot video, but not daily. After 2 days or 3 days, weekly I shoot video.
Do you like Akash sir?
I like every teacher. I like Akash sir, I like you, I like Raunak sir, I like Jaz sir, I like Vishal sir, I like Abdullah sir, I like everyone.
Do you teach every student?
Yeah, I teach. Can you ask me from SMR?
Yes. Is Akash sir good?
Yes, Akash sir is good. Are you good?
Yes, I'm good.
Is Pratik good?
Yes, Pratik is good.
Is Aryan good?
Yes, Aryan is fantastic.
Aryan is fantastic. How are you? Are you fantastic?
Yes, I am fantastic.
Guys, now you can say Mr. Pratik and Mr. Aryan. Whatever I'm asking, they are replying. And whatever they are asking, I'm replying. It means they can understand, they can ask question, they can reply.